Alright, so I've been challenged by the people at Dogemod Cables to prepare a set of stabs blindfolded. So that means clipping the legs, lubing the housings inside the stem, the wires, putting it, oh, I need to get a PCB. Putting it in a PCB, testing it, and making sure everything works. So be fun. Alright, so laying it out right now. The rules for this challenge are, 1, for what I have to do. I have to clip the legs of cherry clip-ins, I have to lube the inside housing, I have to lube the inside of the stem housing, lube the wire with BDZ, assemble all of the stabs, put the stabs in a PCB, put switches in, test the stabs to make sure they rattle, or to make sure they don't rattle, and if they do, I have to plug the butt, all blindfolded. Things I can do, I can ask for, I can ask for assistance if I'm about to drop something in lube, or if I legitimately lose something. I think that's it. I think that's all the ground rules for it. Bro, I have a feeling I'm gonna struggle. I already know I'm going to struggle. It has to be done, dude. I've been called out. I have to do it now. All right. So this is the blindfold. We're gonna see how this goes. Let me make a mental note of where everything is first. Okay. Stabs, switches, keycaps, clippers. Yes, I have been live. This is it. So here are my keycaps. It's a 7U spacebar. So I don't use normal backspace. I only use split backspace. So I'm only prepping the left shift, the spacebar, and the enter key for the Fuji 65. It's a brand new PCB. This is gonna fucking suck. I already know. I have a feeling I'm gonna clip my finger or something. This is gonna go really well or really bad. Wait, which side is it? Okay, it's this side. Wait, no, that's the... Wait, no, this is the right one. I think the hardest part is going to be gauging how much lube I put into this thing. No. I fucking touched the lube! I think I touched the BDZ! It's like thick, bro! Okay, I'm gonna put the clippers on like my work desk. I need to find my brush, hold on! I put it on the edge of the table. Okay, 205, I know it's on the top right. How far am I? Bro, fuck, I don't even know if I'm touching the lube! Holy shit. Okay, alright, I found it. I found the inside of the fucking house! No, I lost it! Fuck! Okay, I think that, alright. I don't know if I'm lubing the inside or the outside of the housing, but it's good enough! Bro, I'm like trying to visualize the stab, but I think the hardest part is because the brush I normally use is like wide. And there's not a lot of bristles on it. I'm fucking just lubing my thumb at this point. Like normally I can feel if it like... Oh, I didn't even lube the inside of the fucking stem. I am just... Oh god, I can just feel it on my thumb. Dude, it's so bad. Everything is just slimy. Fuck, that's my thumb, dude. Oh my god. Why did I believe I could do this? I hope that's the front side. Dude, the hardest part I think is gonna be trying to clip these in. I keep visiting. Dude, my thumb is just fucking covered in Crytox. Dude, this is a lot harder than I thought it would be. Like, how I'm working through this is like I'm hitting my thumb with, like, my left thumb has so much lube on it. Okay, now for the fun part. The wires. Yo, the force is not speaking to me because I don't know what the fuck I'm grabbing. Dude, I don't even know how far I'm going. Why is it not wanting to? No, I put the wire on backwards. Fuck. I just brushed my thumb. Okay, I'm hoping I didn't put all of these in backwards, otherwise that would be very awkward. I have a feeling that... Okay, that's one. Wait, that's... Dude, I'm trying to find it! Because, like, I set it at, like, a certain distance, and I'm, like, trying to find it with the brush. God, this is just... Bro, this is just brutal. Wait, it goes... this way. Okay, now the fun part. Can I like go to the... I know I have BDZ on my hands. Oh, I'll just... Fuck, okay. This is so bad. This is basically just lotion, but okay. Alright, wait. Like, no, that's just a switch. Okay, I think this is the stab hole. Wait, there's no fucking hole here. Wait, this isn't the stab hole. No, dude. Like, I think this is it. I think it's where my thumb is. Oh, let's go! Let's go! Okay. Okay, wait, where's... Okay, this is the hard one, because this one's a 70 one. I think this one's a 70. Oh, okay! Dude, I already know. Okay, hold on, this is... Wait. Backspace? I think so, because it should have 2 holes, but I need to find the left one. Because the right one is the double one. Okay. Where are my switches? 1, 2. Where the fuck are my keycaps? Oh wait, these are gonna tick a little bit because they're not seated all the way. No, it's because the holes are slightly bigger. Wait, I should do this way. This is GMK Hennessey, which I'm just slathering lube on. Dude, I think... Wait, hold up. Dude, I don't... Okay, the spacebar does not tick. Yeah, the spacebar doesn't tick, let's go! Neither does left shift or enter. Okay, I'm gonna try to plug the butt anyway, and then we'll see how. If it lifts up high enough, you can kind of just feel around until... Because the wire doesn't go all the way into the... doesn't go all the way out the backside. So you can kind of fit a syringe back here. Okay, we're done. Okay, I want to see how bad my my hands looked. Okay, so enter key, lightly tapping. Spacebar. Here's a light. No, I think it's from the switch. And then the left shift, I've mixed these up. Lightly tapping. I'm a fucking god gamer! Let's go! Built different! I'm built different! Oh, bro, my hands are so sticky. Oh, I want to see my BDZ application because that has got to be like god awful. Oh yeah, it's like... It doesn't tick, but it's like bad. Like, here, like I don't know if you can see. Some parts of the stab just have like BDC on the housings. Dude, I'm like actually shaking. Like, I'm actually shaking. That shit was rough. I am never doing this again. I don't want to do this again. So here's the thing. I already had stabs for this keyboard. Already done that I literally took off for this video. So I'm gonna put them back on. Overall, yo, if this was my first time, like my first couple tries lubing, this is pretty good. Like, it looks kind of gross, but it's not bad.